Today I'm going to show you how to install an express end cap onto your existing sprayer. Here's the express end cap, and we're going to cut it off and remove the dead end portion of the pipe. To do this, we're going to use a jig, and this jig is made so that it lines up and it shows you where to cut off the pipe and where to drill these two holes that will be used to install the express end cap and hold it in place. So first, we'll need to remove the nozzle body. To do that, just remove the screw that holds it onto the pipe and take it off. So I've rotated the pipe 90 degrees so you can see where the nozzle body was, and I'm going to install the jig so that it aligns with where the nozzle body port was. I'm putting this 3/8 pin into the hole. So now it's tight and aligned. And I'm going to use that slot in the jig to mark where the pipe will be cut off. So using a hacksaw, I'm just going to get a line on it so I know where it gets cut off. And then we want to secure the jig onto the pipe so that the holes, when we drill them, will be exactly through the center of the pipe. And that's where our clamps of the express end cap will connect to the pipe and keep its orientation. So with the 13/64 drill and using a tapping oil or a cutting oil for your drill bit, it's very important with stainless steel for it to be used so that you keep the drill bit cool. Okay, so once we've completed drilling the hole through the pipe on both sides, we're ready to remove the jig. And it may need a little bit of help because of the burrs that extend through the outside of the pipe. So with the jig, remember we had marked it where we were going to cut off the pipe. And to do that, I'm going to use a pipe cutter. And it's just line it up so the diamond wheel is over that portion of the pipe where you have it scored. And spin it around, tightening as you go. So now that the pipe is cut off, you can see that this is where the nozzle body was installed previously, and that part has been removed. And next we'll want to bevel the end of the pipe because there's O-rings inside. So that sharp edge on there would normally cut those O-rings. So to do that, we'll use a file going all the way around it. And then the express end cap Retrofit Kit also comes with Emery cloth that you can use to further buff that edge, making sure all sharp edges are gone. Now we're ready to install the express end cap. With while you push it on, rotate it back and forth so that it slides on and align the holes. Make sure the express end cap is orientated so the nozzle body port is to the bottom of the pipe. And then we'll install the two clamps that keep the express end cap orientated and held to the pipe. To do that, you want to orientate it over and push on the center of it, and you'll hear it snap in place. And then put on the top clamp, and then we'll be ready for final assembly. So that completes the process. The express end cap should be ready to go with no leaks, and you just want to repeat that same process on each end of your boom pipe.